This is Pelelan Mteto. I'm a Triple M participant who's hopefully be a guider with batch 44. I'm recording my ideology video. I chose the background from the application I've got on my PC to show Reuters is one of the companies that is showing the big city, big buildings. In this world, Triple M has come at a time where you find a lot of people, mainly in the buildings behind, would be in banks, the government, that have unlimited money creation power compared to the individuals who get taxed without a say as to the money that is being taken from them. In this world of inequality, this is a recipe for disaster. We've seen great civilizations like the Greeks, the Romans, falling down, the Egyptians as well, because of inequality in the way resources are distributed. Triple M has come in with the ideology that workers should get their pay, the landlords taking money, that should be stopped. So we hope to see a better world where all are able to share and benefit from their sweat, instead of having their time taken by those who've now created banks through interest to take the time. So the ideology of Triple M is to improve, and making it simply that it happens with the technology that we now have of the internet, where you are able to use your applications to work on the old age. In South Africa we call stokvels, but Triple M would like this to become a global enterprise where the people on the ground are able to become change makers. I think as an organization that is pushing for everyone a change maker, this is what Triple M is about. Everyone a change maker to make the world a better place in terms of its financial systems, the way they share the resources that are in. So I'm in Triple M with joy, knowing that I've been reading about reinventing money, the great resource on the web that then shows what these kind of tools would do. So Triple M is in the forefront. Let it grow bigger, so that together we do change the world for better. Thank you.